Oh no! What? A jumping double from Cold! What is going on right now? How does he do this? Cold is safe for Velocity with the all-play. Unthinkable scenes there on the B apartments. Players left, he got no help on them. 13 and 3. What the fuck? Hekaro creeping around the site now. There's still time. Oh my goodness, how does he do this? How does he do it again?
The side, and well, that's what happens when you go around the corner. Happy with one dude. Oh, and another one. Happy! He could get another one here too. Dupree is like sweating bullets. Happy's gonna get the quad kill in the ace. What is this?
Definitely not going down without a fight. Oh wow, there's the first box frag. Hekaro gets a double. There's still 2 players left. They got no health on them. 13 and 3. Hekaro creeping around the site now. There's still time. Oh my.
And be aside, and well, that's what happens when you go around the corner. Happy with one dude. Oh, and another one.
Definitely not going down without a fight. Oh wow, there's the first box frag. Hekaro gets a double. There's still 2 players left. They got no health on them. 13 and 3. Hekaro creeping around the site now. There's still time. Oh my goodness, how does he do it?
Nice.
Why? Don't.
Give me that soundtrack.
Bomb has been planted.
Fuck guys, mid up guys.
Did I heard bomb has been planted?
Between the two sites, but it looks like Fnatic are about to make their presence known. Just Taz and Bialy ready to stand the test. How quickly can VP get there? How quick can the cavalry arrive? It doesn't look like quick enough as Pronax finds Snack. Oh, pressure! Oh, my vocal club! In 4 seconds! And now Fletcher with it all to do. You blink and you miss it. And VP looks to pick up the 6.
He could get another one here too. Dupree is like sweating bullets. Happy's gonna get the quad kill in the ace. What is this?
Fucking muted. Psych!
ما يسمع هذا؟
شو السالفة؟
هذا ساكت.
ام في عخشبك الحين زين شوف. ساكت ليش بسكت يعني؟ اقول لك بس سؤال.
والله سيلز جو ترى انت اول مرة تلعب كونتر.
تدري تبريل شو؟
انت الحين يوم تاخذ فوك تريد تاخذ حق العاب ثانية ترى.
هكر ليش بياخذ؟
يا حبيبي